Even if it's a poor man's hut or a rich man's palace, a fan is the only thing that provides relief from the heat to everyone. But do you know how the seemingly ordinary fan is made in a factory? If not, then let's begin our journey without any delay. I'll show you how the fan, which provides comfort to everyone year after year, is finally prepared in the factory. So, to make a fan, first its motor is prepared. For this, inside the stamping, a paper-like plastic sheet is inserted first, just like how boys and girls get trapped. Now, with the help of a spoiling machine, copper wires are inserted into the stamping where the paper was placed. This machine does all the work automatically, precisely inserting the copper wires into every hole on its own. Now comes the step of inserting the paper again. Here, you can see the stamping is placed back into the paper inserting machine, and the paper is inserted into the larger holes as well. Then, the copper wires are inserted again. Let me tell you, every motor, whether it's for a fan or a fridge, contains copper wires because it's through these that electricity travels from one place to another, allowing the appliance to function. Next, all the copper wires are connected, and then a bit of acid is applied. The acid is used to remove any excess copper coating on the wires so they can be properly joined. First, small plastic tubes are taken and placed over the wires. You can see the red, yellow, and blue wires, right? These will be connected. The wires are then dried thoroughly before being placed inside a cover, completing the motor assembly. Once the motor is ready, it's time to test it, checking whether all the wires are functioning properly. After testing, an iron rod is inserted into the motor, which makes the fan rotate. Here, you can see a small iron rod being carefully fitted into the motor. Next, the edges of the motor are flattened using a machine. The motor is placed inside this machine, and within just 2 minutes, the machine flattens all the edges perfectly. Now, the rear frame of the fan is attached to the motor. A large iron ring is then fitted. This ring helps the 3 fan blades rotate. It is securely fixed onto the motor. After placing the cover, the main structure of the fan is complete. Now, the screws are inserted and tightened using another machine. These screws are fastened very carefully because the entire motor depends on them. Don't miss part 2. Stay tuned, like this video, subscribe for more.